I got to talk. I gotta tell what I feel. I gotta talk about my life as I see it.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another episode of Topic of the Day with your boy, Rose. Dr. Rose. Alright, y'all. Y'all notice? Got my all black, right? When I do that, funeral time. You know, it's something on my mind I ain't feeling, and I gotta get it off, you know. It's come to my attention that just a lot of fuckery going on Twitter and Instagram. A lot of shit that just annoys the fuck out of me. So, I gotta address these issues and tell y'all stupid asses what the fuck y'all doing wrong. First, we're gonna talk about this Twitter shit. Now, Twitter was created for us to express our feelings, our views, and our opinions. Basically, our thoughts. And it can be used as a promotional tool if you know how to use it. Yo, what the fuck I don't get is, how you got over 60,000 tweets and only 100 followers? Nigga, who the fuck are you talking to? And what I don't get about that shit is, where the fuck do you get the time to have over 60,000 fucking tweets? What are you doing all day? I tell you, it's two things your ass need to invest in. A job and some pussy. Seriously, because you ain't doing shit all day anyway, right? And you know what else I hate, man? I hate when I text a motherfucker and they don't respond back, and then they inconsiderate ass is all on Twitter like this shit is all good. You know I get to cursing them out immediately in they fucking text messages. And they always gotta lie, right? I ain't get the text, or oh nah, I just seen it, I ain't even know it came through. Fuck out of here, man. And another thing, trending topics. Now, Twitter gave us this option, trending topics, probably back like in 2009. You know, that's when shit was all good. Now, this shit is out of control. Motherfuckers want to start trending topics about shit that we know they ain't even about in their fucking life. You know what I'm saying? You got these hoe-ass bitches want to start trending topics saying, a good man will. Who the fuck are you to start a topic about a good man will when your pussy is trending in the streets? Seriously? Fuck out of here. And also, everybody want to be fucking verified now. Everybody wants to be verified. You even got these lame motherfuckers putting the fake verified checks on their fucking accounts and their profile pictures like we not gonna notice that. Get a fucking life. How you want to be verified with 115 followers? Really? Who the fuck are you? Are you really that important? Then you got the dick riders. Yo, I'm following you. Follow back. Hell fucking no. Fuck out of here. You got over 100,000 followers and you following about 50,000 people talking that team follow back bullshit. Tell me this. If I was to follow you or you follow me, how the fuck you gonna see my tweets with all them followers? Nigga, fuck you. Next up, Instagram. Now, Instagram was created for people to take exclusive pictures. Keyword, motherfuckers, exclusive. I hate, and I seriously hate, when y'all motherfuckers take pictures of food. You got the bougie ass chicks like, this my sushi. Fuck your sushi. Then you got these cornball ass niggas like, yeah nigga, these my Jordan number 5s. Man, sit your fucking silly ass down, nigga. You ain't the only one with fucking Jordans. Them shit sell like hotcakes. Stop taking pictures of them. But then y'all chicks kill me with this no filter shit, team, no makeup, like it's really doing y'all justice. Then y'all putting up them nasty ass pictures in the morning like you just woke up, ain't brushed your teeth, and you don't get no ass likes, and y'all be deleting them shits like I don't fucking see y'all. Stop doing that. I see y'all motherfuckers deleting them shits. And another thing, these fucking screenshots with y'all text messages, putting y'all business out there. What the fuck is you doing? I wish a motherfucker would screenshot a text message we had and put it on Instagram. I'm begging you to do that. I'm embarrass your ass so bad. I'm gonna get some butt naked pictures of your ass and then I'm gonna put them on Instagram. I don't play that game. And another thing, man. Fucking Instagram, period. Do you know that when you post pictures, you're supposed to post a picture, chill for a couple hours, post another one, chill for a couple hours, post one more, you're done. Not every fucking 3 minutes, you go down your fucking feed, you see this jackass with pictures of food, sayings, pictures of dumb shit. It's just annoying. Why the fuck you gotta fill my whole feed when I got this many followers? to stop the dumb shit, y'all. For real, man. Alright, y'all, that's it, man. Hope y'all took lessons, took some notes, and learned, because I'm tired of y'all doing the dumb shit. They gotta fucking stop already. Have a great fucking weekend. See y'all Monday, man. 1.